Good morning, boys and girls. So we're going to start today with spelling, and I would like you to first tell me, if you look at the first group of words here, what do you see about them that is the same? Look at the beginning of the word and the end of the word and the middle. If you said that the middle of the word is the same because they all have EE, you are correct. And let's think for a minute what we learned about having two vowels working together. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. That's right. So all of these words are making what vowel sound? A long E or short E? I'm hoping that everybody says long E. So our first word, green, I think everybody knows that is a color, and that's actually a color that we are seeing a lot more of these days. And the next word, read it to yourselves first. Queen. We have a queen of a country, like Queen Elizabeth of England. The next word, breeze, which is a light wind. Getting a lot of those these days too. And the last one, squeeze. When you hug someone really tight, you squeeze them, or maybe you squeeze a lemon. Always roll a lemon before you cook with it. It makes it juicier. My son taught me that. So we're going to look at the next group of words. And again, you're going to see something about them that is similar, that's exactly the same. And if you said the two vowels, E-A, you are correct. And as we said, the rule, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So which vowel is doing the talking? The E is doing the talking. Long E or short E? If you said long E, you're correct. So our first word is repeat, and that means to do things again. And the next word is something we don't like, and that is defeat. When we lose. Scream. If you go on your favorite ride, you might scream. I always scream really loud when I go on roller coasters. And leave, which means to go away or depart. Or a leaf on a tree. And our third group of words, again, we see some things that are the same. Okay, so we have our two vowels, I and E. Now, remember when I tell you that in reading and in grammar, we have rules, and we always have exceptions to the rule. That's what makes them so challenging. You might also remember that I have said to you many times that my weakness when I spell is in remembering which comes first, I-E or E-I. Because to me, it all looks the same. And if you look at these words, brief, which means short, thief, which means someone who steals, belief, something that you believe, something that you know to be true, and relief. When you jump in the pool on a hot day, you feel relief. Now, the rule that we've learned is when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. Well, here's the exception. I-E. Which vowel's coming first? Right, the I is coming first, but we don't say brave or brief, we say brief. So that is your challenge for the week, is to remember the pattern of these words, and that even though the I comes first, the E is doing all the talking. The E is being very bossy in this case. Okay, so this morning, you're going to work on this page for your parents. Okay, make sure you print in your best printing, and make sure that your word that you write in the blank is spelled the same as it is on the list. So I want you to check all of your work before your parents check it for you. That'll be your spelling for the day. Tomorrow we'll have some more activities, but for today, this will be your spelling. So read the sentence carefully, figure out which word fits, and then read it back and make sure it's correct. All right, boys and girls, good luck.